being connected with friends and family, and for discovering new people and ideas. But like any tool, it can be wielded in a harmful way if we are not careful. If you are struggling with depression, anxiety, or other mental health issues, it's important to seek help from a qualified professional. Social media can be a valuable supplement to therapy, but it is not a replacement for it. A therapist can help you develop strategies for coping with negative emotions, and can provide ongoing support and guidance as you work to improve your mental health. In summary, social media and depression are linked, but there are ways to use social media in a healthier way. As always, it's important to prioritize our mental health and well-being above all else, and to seek help when we need it. As technology continues to evolve, it's important to keep up with how it may impact our mental health. While social media has brought people closer together in many ways, it has also created an environment where people may feel pressure to look or act a certain way. This can be particularly damaging to those who may already be struggling with depression or low self-esteem. That being said, it's difficult to avoid social media altogether in today's digital age. As such, it's important for individuals to find ways to use social media in a way that promotes good mental health and well-being. By following the tips listed above and seeking professional help when needed, people can enjoy the benefits of social media while minimizing its negative effects. In addition to limiting screen time and following positive accounts, it may be helpful for individuals to set specific goals for their social media usage. For example, someone may choose to use social media only once per day or to limit the amount of time spent scrolling through their feed. By setting clear boundaries, you can ensure that your social media usage doesn't negatively impact other aspects of your life, such as work or relationships. It's also important to remember that social media is not a substitute for real-life connections and experiences. While it may be tempting to turn to social media to feel connected with others, it's important to also make an effort to engage with people face-to-face. This can help to build stronger, more authentic relationships that are essential for good mental health. It's important to recognize that in addition to depression, social media use has also been linked to other mental health issues. For instance, social media has been shown to increase levels of anxiety and stress, especially in individuals who are already prone to these conditions. The constant exposure to negative news, social comparison, and cyberbullying can all contribute to heightened levels of anxiety and stress. Moreover, social media addiction is becoming an increasingly common problem. Younger people, in particular, are often addicted to their phones and social media, spending hours upon hours glued to the ear screens. Social media addiction has been linked to a number of negative outcomes, including lower self-esteem, poorer academic performance, and sleep disturbances. To address these issues, it's important to promote more awareness about social media usage and its potential impact on mental health. Parents, teachers, healthcare professionals, and other adults can all play a role in educating children and young adults about healthy social media usage. They can encourage moderation, promote positive and safe online behaviors, and provide resources for professional help if needed. It's important to recognize that social media, despite its potential negatives, has a lot of benefits that cannot be ignored. Social media has revolutionized the way we connect and share information with others around the world. It allows us to be more informed, engaged, and involved in the world around us. It can help people build communities, promote social causes, and raise awareness about important issues. Moreover, social media has helped to break down barriers to communication and information sharing. In the past, information was tightly controlled by traditional media outlets, making it difficult for individuals to share their own stories and perspectives. With social media, anyone can become a content creator and share their own voice with the world. For people with mental health issues, social media can be a source of support and community.